Open volume 2. Volume 2, collections, chapter, what the page number? Page number 235. Volume 2, page number 235. Volume 2, page number 235. Okay, we are going to discuss about these concepts today. Okay, tell me. I'm trying to understand cursors. Cursor concepts are used for retrieving objects from the collection. Up to now, we have learned how to store objects in collection, how to retrieve objects from the collection, how to search objects in collection, how to remove objects in collection. We have discussed with each collection algorithm internals. Now we are trying to understand how to retrieve objects from the collection. We are trying to understand. Okay, tell me, I am creating list implemented, set implemented, map implemented. Three types of objects I am going to create. Okay, first I am trying to create array list of array list of any type of objects I am taking to store object al equal to new array list of object. Okay, array list of al equal to new array list of. The next, now I'm trying to add al dot add of. Now I'm trying to store objects, double quotes A. Okay, double quotes A, double quotes B. Anything I can store, right? Let me write like this. Alternatively, 5 double quotes B, 6 double quotes C, 7. Okay, I stored these are the objects, array list object. Okay, I'll come to the other collections later. First, let me work with this collection. Then outer printer and AL. AL, what has it? Here elements are retrieving, displaying. Here elements are displaying, not retrieving. It is displaying, not retrieving. What I need to do? I need to retrieve and display them on console. Then what I need to write? Tell me. I should use al dot get method. Na? Al dot get method there by passing index number I. For index number I purpose, what I need to do? I have to write for loop. For int I equal to 0. Okay, I less than al dot I less than al dot size I plus plus, right? I plus plus, and then here what I need to write? Object obj equal to al dot get of I system dot out dot println and obj. Okay, then I am writing here SOPL A5 B6 C7. If you want to display them, each value, the value available in obj, I want display in uppercase. What should I do now? First I should verify, is it a string or not? If obj instance of a string, yes, then what you write? Yes dot to uppercase. Hope you remember Java. S dot to uppercase. Right? So now control F11. Now you are getting ABC capital letters. I want display values, remaining values also. Then we write else block system dot out dot println obj directly. Then we will get strings in uppercase, integers in normal case. So hope you understand how to retrieve by using get method. From where? Okay. By using array list. Now this is the list implemented class. Same program I want for set implemented class. Are you ready to help me to understand? Array list place what you write? Linked has a set of LHS. New linked has a set of. Now AL place what you write? LHS. Try to understand, sir. When I write LHS, Add is not a problem. We added. Now I can count elements available in LHS. But do you have get method? Tell me. Do you have get method inside? Do you have get method inside object LHS dot get of I? Object obj equal LHS dot get of I. Is it available or not available? No. Are you catching my point? So tell me, if you want to retrieve from, if you want to retrieve elements from array list, I can retrieve directly by using get method. If you want to retrieve elements from set implemented classes, do you have any direct approach? No, you cannot call get method. What is the alternative? Okay, we'll think. Next, I'm taking linked hash map. Okay, linked hash map of object comma object LHM to LHM equal to new linked hash map. Okay, Control Shift O, linked hash map. Then now I am trying to add objects to linked hash map. How? Linked hash map dot put of double quotes A comma 1, double quotes B comma 2. Okay, 5 comma 2, double quotes B comma 3, 6 comma 4, double quotes C comma 5, 7 comma 6. Okay, I have added like this. Then I am displaying LHM. LHM I displayed. Then what happened? Elements available in linked hash map displayed as a entries. Now my question, I don't want display, I want retrieve. Further, what I need to write? Object value equal to LHM dot get off. Okay, I'm giving the key A. Then I'll get value. System dot out dot println value. So value will come. What is the value? 1. A value 1 come. But I want all values. Then I should write for loop. For hey, for int I equal to 0, I less than LHM dot. Here also we have size. LHM dot size. LHM dot size. Okay, I plus plus. But I plus plus. But tell me, object obj equal to LHM dot. I can call get method LHM dot get off. LHM dot get off. What should I pass? Key. What the key? What the key? I. What the key? I value what will come? 0. 0 key not there. 1 key is not there. 2 key is not there. So it is a wrong code. Here I need to pass key. How can I get key and pass? So using get method, I can get only one value. If you want to get all values, there is no option. Yeah. We have an option. What is that? What is that option? Tell me. You have a method called key set method. We have key set method. We have values method, and we have entry set method. Right? Key set method return type is what? Set keys equal to set of object keys equal to Nabji, all problems I am trying to tell you. Are you understanding? Collection of object values equal to, right? So just I'm trying to show you problem. If you understand problem, then I can introduce cursors. Okay, LHM dot, okay, values, and next set of map dot entry of object comma object. If you understand the problem, then I can introduce the cursors. Entry is equal to LHM dot entry set. Okay, tell me, after getting all keys available in the set object, how can it retrieve one key? After retrieving all values stored in this collection, how can it retrieve one value? After after storing all the entries in this entries object, how can I retrieve one entry? From that one entry, how to retrieve key and value separately? So these are all the problems I'm facing in working with retrieving elements. Did you all people understand the problem? Array list, no problem. But working with the set and map, I have problem. To overcome the problems of set and map, we got cursors. Okay, na? Right, tell me. If you want to retrieve elements from the set, what I need? I need a condition because I don't know how many elements available. I need a condition to verify element available or not. If condition returns true, then it should return element and move the cursor to the next location. I plus plus is always moving the cursor to the next location. Na? Again repeating, find the element available or not. Find element available or not. If element available, return that element, move the cursor to the next location. Totally how many operations I need to perform here? 2 operations. What the first operation? Find element available or not. For that I need one method. If element available, return that element, retrieve and return that element and move the cursor to the next location. So totally I need 2 implicit methods to work with a set. Okay, now those 2 implicit methods are available in the predefined interface called enumeration. Okay, now we have a cursor object, enumeration. Sun Microsystem has given a predefined interface called enumeration, main method. Okay, enumeration. Look at there. Enumeration is an interface available from Java 1.0 version. Test if this enumeration contains more elements. So there is a method called has more elements and another method is available called what? Next element. How many methods are there in enumeration interface? 2 methods. Has more elements and next element. Now we need to call these 2 methods. If you wanted to know more elements available or not, we have to call has more elements. If you want to retrieve the element, move the cursor to the next location, you should call next element method. And in Java 8 version or which version, let me see now, Java 9 version, we got one more method called as iterator as a default method that I will discuss later. First we need to understand enumeration. Enumeration E equal to, right, and then now, okay, semicolon, tell me, enumeration required for retrieving elements from where now? One collection. Now I should create a collection. Let me copy the logic from the previous program. Am I going fast? Come on, come on. Am I going fast? Am I going fast? Are you people understanding what I'm talking? If you feel I'm going fast, let me know. I will talk slowly. Okay, now here elements are displayed. I want to retrieve elements from where now? AL dot. Inside array list, do you have any method to retrieve enumeration? Look at that. There is no method for retrieving enumeration. Enumeration is interface now. Enumeration is an interface. So interface object, can I write like this? New enumeration. New enumeration, can I write like this? Compiler asking, come nearer and slap you like anything because it is interface. How can I create object? So we need what? Implementation class. I need an interface implementation class. That implementation class is meant for retrieving elements from where now? One collection. So that implementation class has given inside every collection as a inner class. Come on, buddy. All you people understand? Right. So enumeration implementation class as given as inner class in each collection from which you want to retrieve elements. Now tell me, here I need array list. Inside array list object dot, I should call one factory method. That factory method creates this enumeration implementation class object and return to our program to call and execute enumeration methods. Are you catching my point? That method where it is available. Enumeration is a collections framework collection or legacy collection buddy. Collections framework cursor, legacy 1.0. Then when you are working with the legacy cursor, you need which collection object? Which collection object we need to take? Vector. Legacy collection vector, 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 vector. Okay. And then AL place what you write now? Control Shift R. V. v1. Okay, right. v1 vector of object v1 equal to new vector. Import it. Import vector object. Okay. Then now try to answer. Here vector object dot observe v1 dot v1 dot look at the first method itself. We have what? Elements method. What this elements method is doing, it's a factory method. Elements is a factory method that is responsible for creating and returning enumeration implementation class object. Look at the logic available in elements method. Look at there. Have you remembered the syntax? Anonymous inner class na interface followed by open bracket. Okay, it is a anonymous inner class. So enumeration of, like, it has provided implementation to has more elements method, next method. So it has provided implementation to those two methods. So whenever you call this elements method, this method provides implementation to enumeration interface. Implementing the two methods has more elements and next element method, creating the object of this implementation class and returning to our program. So this method is technically called what? Factory method. What is a factory method? A method that creates object of a class and return to our program is called factory method. In a factory, what happened, buddy? Products are manufactured. Products are manufactured and returned to our house, right? So that is called factory. Factory is nothing but the place where products are manufactured. So elements is a factory method because it is creating enumeration implementation class object and return to our program. Are you catching my point? Then tell me, enumeration is a interface variable which contain its implementation class object. That implementation class object is pointing to the elements available in the vector. Hope you understand this line. Repeating once again, enumeration is a interface. E is a enumeration interface reference variable that stores enumeration implementation class object that is returning by this elements method. The enumeration implementation class object is pointing to whom? The elements available in the vector. So tell me, is enumeration contains elements pointing to the elements? Everyone should answer. Is enumeration a container object or this enumeration is a container object or cursor object? Cursor object. What is the meaning of cursor object? It is pointing to the elements available in this vector. It will not copy elements. Can you tell me the memory diagram? Can you tell me the memory diagram? This is a vector v1. This is a vector v1. And next, now come on. It is a vector v1. And this is what? Vector object. Internal object array is there. Inside object array, we have elements. I'm not writing references and pointing to object, just written locations. And this is 0, 1, 2, 3, whatever. And vector object pointing to it. Then E variable is created equal to elements method create the new enumeration implementation class object. Now it is a point E variable pointing to enumeration object. Enumeration object is a cursor object. It doesn't contain elements. It is pointing to the first element available in the vector. First element available in the underlying collection. Underlying collection is nothing but the collection using which we got elements method. The collection on which we got enumeration is called underlying collection. Hello, all you understand a memory diagram of enumeration object? Come on. Then what is the functionality of now the enumeration? First, verify element available in this location. If available, return that element to our program and move this cursor to the next location. And next, retrieve that element and return to our program and move the cursor to the next location. Now return that element to our program, move the cursor to the next location until last element or last location. Until last element or last location. Right. Now last element is returned to our program and move to the after last location. Then control move after last location, and if you call the method it returns false, then program execution is stopped. Hello, everybody got clarity? So tell me here, I need to write what now? I should call enumeration method has more elements for verifying the element available or not, and further I call e dot next element. I should call e dot next element. Okay now, so e dot has more elements method. E dot has more elements method. E dot has more elements method returns true or false by verifying the element available or not. Then you want to execute this statement and this statement one time as many elements as available, as many elements as available. If you want to execute statements repeatedly, where I should write that logic? Inside loop. Okay, inside loop. Then which loop I should use? For loop or while loop? For loop you have to write if three expressions required. Variable declaration you need to do, variable condition you need to do, variable increment you need to do. If all three you need to do, then go for while loop. Go for loop. If you want only condition checking, then go for while loop. While E dot has more elements. Here I need to check the condition element available or not. That's all. Remaining work taking care internally. Then you should use while loop here. Then inside I should write object obj equal to E dot next element and write system dot out dot println obj. Babu, understand what I'm talking? Save it, run this program and see output coming or not. A 5, B 6, C 7. So from the vector object we able to retrieve elements available in from the vector object we able to retrieve elements by using enumeration. So what the memory diagram is? This is the memory diagram. Hope everyone understood. Now tell me, I want to retrieve elements from collections framework collection. I want to retrieve elements from collections framework collection, that is array list. Array list of object, array list of object AL1 equal to new array list. Okay, new array list. Then AL1 dot add of. Tell me, enumeration E2 equal to. Can I expect elements method call on AL1? No. Okay, it is given where? Elements method given where? In vector class as the legacy class. But now it's a collections framework. There is no direct method. There is no direct method. Listen. To perform operations common to all collections, we have a predefined class called collections. I told you, remember? There's a predefined class called collections. Dot. It has a method called enumeration, which you take collection as an argument. Collections dot enumeration of AL1. Hello? Everyone understand? Enumeration E2 equal to collections dot enumeration of AL1. Bolo now. Now, in this enumeration is also factory method available in collections class, creates enumeration implemented class and its object on AL1. Tell me, any difference in memory diagram from previous to now? No difference. Both are same. And then any difference in logic? No difference. Same logic. Control F11. Look at there. Array list object displayed. All elements from array list by using enumeration we retrieve. Okay, now this enumeration method is a static method. This elements method is a non-static method. Guys, all people understand? Now my question, can I use collections dot enumeration method for vector object? Can I use collections dot enumeration method for vector object? Enumeration of objects E3 equal to collections dot enumeration of what I need to pass? Any object I can pass. That look at the parameter is collection is the parameter. So collection type anything you can pass. Now I'm writing V1. Okay, and now I'm writing same by loop na. Yes or no? In place of E2 I need to write E3. Control F11. Look at there, A5, B6, C7 coming. So code is same, only what is changing? Collection object is changing. So one time if you practice, everything will be easy. Look at here, I give in complete explanation. 3 types of cursors to retrieve elements from all types of collection object. Okay, enumeration iterator, list iterator. All about 3 are interfaces. Their subclasses are created by Sun as inner classes inside collection classes. These subclasses objects are written via factory methods. These factory methods are also defined inside collection classes. So these factory methods must be called with the collection object for which we wanted to retrieve elements. The factory methods are for enumeration elements method, for iterator method, for list iterator method. What are the operations we must perform using above 3 cursor objects? 2 operation. Checking is element available in underlining collection. If element available, retrieve that element reference. Okay, so perform above operation. These 2 cursor objects must have minimum 2 methods for checking element available or not, for returning the element reference from collection and moving cursor to next location. All above cursor objects, cursor is initially all above cursor objects initially pointing to, I have written one small mistake here. Before first location, please correct it, first location, pointing to first location of the collection. Below is the cursor object structure with given collection object C. Now, the memory diagram I have shown already, that space I given to write. Understanding enumeration interface. Enumeration is a legacy interface defined in Java 1.0 to retrieve elements from legacy collection, vector and hash table. It has below 2 methods to retrieve elements, has more elements and next element. Who implement above 2 methods? Sun in vector and hash table classes as inner class. How can we obtain enumeration object on vector and hash table? So on vector object we should call elements method. On hash table we have 2 methods, keys method and elements method. Okay, how can we write, how can we obtain enumeration on collections framework collections? By using collections class dot enumeration method. Sample program side by side I given vector class and array list class. Excuse me. Rana, all people understand? Yeah. So since last few days, many students are getting jobs. I'll share all the success stories on a Facebook page once they become free. So these days I am not sharing the success stories. Hello sir, good morning. Hope you are doing well. Sir, I joined Core Java course in the month of July 2020 9 a.m. batch. Sir, after finishing the course, I got a complete overview on each and every concept in detail on Java. And as you said, my first interview is my last interview, and the words come true for me. So recently I got job in a robot Bosch, whatever, as an associate software engineer. Thank you for being inspiration to me, sir. Not only for me, you are inspiration a lot of people around us. Finally, one thing is, thank you for guiding me in the correct and proper way, sir. I'm unable to come to Hyderabad and take your blessings due to pandemic. Need your virtual blessings. So people who are not in a frustration of, I'm taking more time, and people are correctly targeted their career and planned, and focusing on attending interviews, they definitely damn sure they will get a job without any without failure, pakka. But majority of people, our Indian mentality, you know getting frustration saying that this much time or this much time, yeah, that much time required for completing syllabus, that much huge syllabus is there. And of course last 2 3 months I am suffering you lot because of taking holidays. Okay, I'm trying to somehow you adjusted, and thank you so much for your support. Only this this last 5 months only I trouble you very much, but otherwise I don't trouble you. Generally I don't trouble the students. Okay, subject wise I will trouble you, but timing wise I don't trouble. So I am so much sincere and dedicated faculty for your success, but nothing there in my hand now. That's why even though people are scolding me and shouting at me and making me bad in the social media, I'm just silent. Okay, every dog has a day, every dog has a day, don't worry. Okay, hope all you people got clarity on enumeration. Shall I go to the next topic? Tell me. I want to work with I want to work with what now? Hash table. Tell me. Legacy collection hash table. Hash table of object comma object. HT equal to new hash table of. Then tell me. I am trying to add HT dot put of double quotes a comma 1. I'm not taking more elements. Two or three entries are sufficient. Okay. 5 comma 2. Okay, double quotes b comma 3 enough. Okay, system dot out dot println ht, and now ht elements are displayed. Tell me now, I want to retrieve keys from ht. What is the method available? ht dot, the method is what? Keys, which returns enumeration of now keys object e4 equal to what did I come and tell me? ht dot keys. Then tell me, any change in the while loop? Any change in the while loop? No change. What is change? E4 E4. Hello, mic testing 1 2 3 4. Control F11. All keys are displayed. BA5. Why BA5 coming? Why not in insertion order? Hash table doesn't maintain insertion order, right? It maintains hash code order. I want retrieve values. For retrieving values, what is the method? I want retrieve values. For retrieving values, what is the method? Enumeration E5 ht dot elements. ht dot elements. Now change E5, 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 E5. Control F11. 3, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, now how to work with hash table with enumeration, understood? Now tell me, hash map of collections framework map, hm equal to new hash map of, tell me now, hm dot, is there any method called keys? Now we have a method called key set. I have a method called key set. Now I have to take key set method. Now tell me, here I should write set of keys. Keys are of what type? Object. Keys equal to, first I obtain set. Then tell me, I wanted to store same elements here. I wanted same elements to hash map also. hm. Then tell me, Now system dot out dot println hm. Okay, and now I'm writing. Can I write same while loop? Come on, come on. Can I write same while loop here? E6 equal to expecting answer from everyone. HT place what I should write? Keys. Do you have keys dot elements method? No. Keys is what type? Set type. Okay. Now in place of keys I am writing key set. Okay, tell me. Now I am writing here key set. Everyone try to answer. How can I obtain enumeration on set? How can I obtain enumeration on set? Come on, you know already. Just now completed. How can I obtain enumeration on set? Collections dot wonderful. Collections dot enumeration of what do you write? Key set. Then what will be displayed here? E6. Erabaji, all points understanding? A, B5. Keys are coming. I want values. Below, by using this key, can I obtain value? By using this key, can I obtain value? How? 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 LHM hash map YAM map. Okay. HM dot what the method name? Get off bypassing key. Okay. Then display key. Can I write like this? Double quotes equal to plus value. Control F11. A equal to 1, B equal to 3, C 5 equal to 2. Hope you understand how to work with the set, how to work with the list, how to work with the set, how to work with map, legacy collection and collections framework collection by using enumeration. Okay, Nana? Are people comfortable? I'll upload this program to the Facebook page. Please practice this program. Tomorrow we'll try to understand it later. From 19th, I am not starting a new batch because I don't want to trouble new students. Already you are suffering a lot. I don't want to trouble new students, so I'm not starting new batch. Any of your friends or juniors are waiting for my batch? Tell them to join other faculty classes. Okay, maybe end of August. August 2nd week. Okay, so now I'm busy with the works. So without my presence there, things are happening very bad. Okay, now. And next, another problem there, buddy. On my name, people has created one fake account. Hope all people know it. And people are sending the request for the money. Be careful. Don't transfer money to anybody. Okay? Don't transfer money to anyone. So if anybody is asking money, just apply common sense. Apply common sense. So like this. Okay? This student Vijay Kumar has applied common sense. Look at there. Hi sir, this is Vijay. Someone created a fake account on your name and asking for money. Please be aware. Okay, the chatting has shared to me. So he's send a friend request and accepted. Now feeling that Hari Krishna is my student, na? Hari Krishna is my faculty. Accept my pic also placed. I'm in US. I am urgent problem. My urgent problem. How are you, sir? Tell me. Okay, need 3,000 urgent. I will return at 9 in morning. Okay, sure. share the number shared. Then after seeing the number, his name is Dr. Vivekanta. Okay, can you please make a video call now? That's all. He left. Are you catching my point? So apply some common sense. Okay, blindly don't give single rupee also other people. Blindly don't give single rupee also to other people. If you are giving money means that's a bad thought. Okay, so don't give it, because the money is hard earned money. Every rupee is important. Don't give for just for fun to other people. Okay. Thank you. Please share this. Already I created a post in our Facebook page also. Share this post to all your friends in your group list. Okay. Whatever the WhatsApp groups, your friends list are there, WhatsApp groups there. I already, there's no chance to accept further friend request. Already 5,000 crossed. Okay. Already I created a post. Please share this post to your friends in the group. Guys, be careful with the fake accounts created on my name for money. Read this funny and intelligent interaction with one of my students. Please report to Facebook if you find such accounts. I already shared. Please try to share to all your friends. Thank you. That's all for today class. See you all tomorrow. Bye-bye. Please join 9 o'clock sharp from tomorrow. Okay. Go through Naresh IT placement cell year. Write exam, screening test exam and pass. You will get job easily. Be part of Naresh IT screen placements division.